Hey y'all, Shaftney Nicole here, and I am the founder of DGP Designs Co., which stands for Divine Given Purpose. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the new Abiding in Grace Faith Digital Journal. Now, this is a journal that is created with intention. It is structured, it is not cluttered, it is exactly what it is supposed to be, a journal. So if you've been wanting a faith journal that feels intentional, structured, not overwhelming, and not cluttered, then this is for you. Let's get started talking about some of the beautiful, intentional, created templates that are in this journal. At the very front of your journal, you're going to have your dashboard. Here you can create up to 16 custom sections. You'll also find a helpful video link to assist you with customizing sections and adding templates from either the notes pages or extra template section. The goals and habits section helps you build spiritual discipline in a grace-led way. You can set your word of the month, scripture focus, faith goals, and track habits like prayer, Bible reading, or worship. The Bible tracker is one of my favorites. You can visually track every chapter you complete and actually see your progress through scripture. The devotional study is for daily meditation. You can write your scripture of the day, keep takeaways, how it applies to your life, and even your prayer. The Bible study template is perfect for intentional study days. You can break down book, chapter, verses, main themes, key scriptures, and observations. The sermon notes layout helps you capture sermons in a way that actually helps you apply them. You're able to take notes, reflect personally, and write what God is calling you to do now. You also have lined journal pages for reflection and dotted pages for creative worship. This journal is also clutter-free, so you will just add pages as you go. The journal also includes additional note templates, scripture lettering pages, visual prayer pages, seasonal prompts, and so many other templates to help you truly make this journal your own. It will also include 54 interchangeable covers, 2 pages of vibrant stickers, post-it and note-style widgets, and 7 color tab options. And that's it. So if you're looking for a journal that helps you grow intentionally yet gentle, this is it. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. I will link the journal below in the description box. Until the next launch, bye y'all.